Hi, Joe Conyers from SKF Maintenance Products with a tip from the Bearing Handbook for Electric Motors. Today's tip is called avoiding overheating when mounting bearings. So what we have here is an induction heater. It's the safest, fastest method for mounting bearings. You might be asking yourself, why do I want to overheat a bearing before I mount it? Well, the problem is we could lose the heat treatment on the bearing. How could you tell? Well, you'd look at the bearing rings and you'd say, hey, this looks like it has a golden or true straw color. That might mean someone has been there before you with a point flame source like a torch. A torch is used to cut things, not to heat them up. So, if it's gone to the true straw color, we could have lost as much as 2 to 4 points of Rockwell hardness on the steel, and that can cut the bearing life as much as 50%, and you're going to have to start over with a new bearing. So, avoid direct flame on the bearing. Now, you don't want to exceed 230 Fahrenheit. That's what this bearing heater will come to when I first turn it on. We've also got some temperature control here, and that allows us to safely go to the 230 degrees, which grows the inner ring of the bearing by about 1/1000th of an inch for every inch of shaft diameter. That'll easily allow you to mount the bearing over whatever fit you have got. If you think you need to go beyond 230 degrees Fahrenheit, call the SKF technical hotline for assistance. Let's go ahead and mount the bearing now. So we would wait for the heater to go through its cycle. We're going to take the temperature probe off. With our hot gloves on, we're going to grab the yoke in one hand and the bearing in the other. And now we're going to put the bearing on the shaft. We're going to lean into it with our thumbs on the inner ring for 1 full minute. After a minute's passed, the bearing will have successfully shrunk fit itself to the shaft. Congratulations, you successfully mounted the bearing and avoided overheating. That's it. Thanks for watching.